In this video, I'm going to be Tinder swiping in one of the sexiest cities in the world, Melbourne, Australia. What's going on, guys? It is Wingman Plus back with another video. This is the latest installment in my Tinder Passport World Tour series, and you guys have been commenting every week asking me to swipe in Australia. And I absolutely love the input, guys, so I didn't want to disappoint you. Pound that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. So we'll fire up the old Tinder machine here, and right off the bat, we've got an absolute baddie here. Liv, looking good. We're gonna give her a right swipe. Oh, that dog is that dog actually scared the crap out of me, but we're still gonna give her a right swipe nonetheless. Okay, we've got Diane, little mom action. Oh boys, we've got a match right off the bat with Diane the MILF. Hey cutie. We'll just throw a casual little message at her here. Okay, we've got Billy. Damn. Okay, Billy's an absolute baddie. We're gonna give Billy, oh, you know what? Let's check out the profile bit. Oh, whoa. Okay. You guys have been commenting, asking for me to swipe in Australia for a while now. And I can't believe I haven't done this sooner because we are off to a very strong start right off the bat with some absolute smoke shows. Okay, wow. I feel like everyone in Australia is just super fit. It's like all you guys do over there is just work out, go surfing, and wrestle kangaroos and stuff. So I'm about it. Okay, nice flowers. We'll give you a right swipe. Oh, we got another match. I like your flowers. Keeping it pretty platonic for now. Okay, we've got Ebony. Nice eyes. We'll give you a right swipe. Whoa. Elise is a scuba diver of some sort. Wow. Okay. Right swipe. Oh my God. And yet another match, guys. I feel like for some reason the Australian ladies are really liking me here. Might have to go give them a visit at some point, eh? Snorkel your way into my arms. Put a little heart emoji there. Okay, Michaela. I've actually been having so much fun with this Tinder Passport series. I love swiping around the world and just seeing what's out there. So if you guys have any cities that you want to see me swipe on in the next video, definitely make sure you comment them down below. Comment what city you guys are from. I'd love to know where you're all tuning in from. If you guys are Australian, drop your favorite Australian fact down in the comments below. I feel like we're building a really cool international community here of Tinder connoisseurs. So that's pretty cool. Okay, whoa. What is going on here? Okay, guys, I don't even know what the deal is. I was going to say this girl's looking for Instagram followers, but she doesn't even have the IG in her bio. So, damn. Okay, I think I've found my thumbnail. I don't even know if YouTube would let me use this as a thumbnail, but worth a shot. Okay, Kobe. Again, it looks like everyone here is just a fitness model or something. Like everyone is in such good shape. Except for the girls who are super liking me, unfortunately. Oh, boys, I think I accidentally swiped left on an interesting scenario there. You know what? I think the left swipe was granted, but had me in the first half, I'm not gonna lie. Now that things are kind of loosening up around the world, definitely gonna try and start traveling a little bit more. I actually recently traveled to Arizona and have had an absolutely awesome time out there, especially during the Canadian winter. Really nice to get out, experience some warm weather, meet some cool new people. So that was a really cool vibe. But I'm definitely looking to get out there and travel more. And that's part of this series that I really like, is just seeing like what's out there in the world. Definitely, I'm not going to say like I determine my entire travel plans based on where the hottest chicks are on Tinder, but it's definitely a consideration, not going to lie. So if you guys don't have Tinder Gold, the one feature that I think is the best is Tinder Passport. I just think it's really neat. If you're buying Tinder Gold though, trying to get more matches, I definitely wouldn't recommend it unless you already have like a bunch of matches going on, because Tinder Gold probably isn't going to help you too much if your profile's not that strong. Okay, this girl's Swedish and lives in Australia. I'll give her a right swipe. Whoa, Tash. Okay, Tash is kind of cute. You know what I just realized, guys? We haven't even opened up the top picks yet. which is usually the first thing I do in these videos, but I was so enamored by the main feed here, I didn't even remember to open top picks. It's crazy. If these are just like the normal Tinder girls, I can't wait to see what top picks has in store. So let's hop on over to top picks right now and see who's at the front of the line. I pretty much swipe right on everyone in the top picks on most occasions. Oh, was that a dude? TikTok kind of confused me. Okay, Eleanor is really going for it with the, okay, well, she got my right swipe. We got Tatum, cool name. Is that an Australian name? I've never been to Australia, but I've heard it's pretty much known for two things, and that's absolute rockets like Tash and gigantic spiders that will literally eat you alive. I've seen photos of spiders that are the size of big garbage cans, and quite frankly, that's pretty much terrifying enough for me not to go to Australia. But not gonna lie, I've never been more tempted. Like, some of these girls are just drop dead gorgeous. Like, what are we doing here? I feel like every swipe here is a thumbnail, so we're off to a really strong start, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we've got Gabija. Cool name. Looks like she likes skiing. Oh, she's not even from Melbourne. Well, I guess we have that in common right off the bat then. Okay, Amy just going for it right off the bat. No face in the first two picks. We just get front and back. Okay. I guess she's making her intentions pretty clear right off the bat. You know what, though? I respect that about Australian girls. Like, they just put it right up front and let you know, like, hey, here's what we're working with. Quite frankly, like, I can appreciate that. We love a bit of transparency. Okay. Yep. You know what's funny? Like, I didn't even have to see this girl's job title to know that she was a social media manager. She just has that look to her for sure. Okay, Eve. Again, like, is everyone in Australia just absolutely shredded and works out like 4 times a day? What am I supposed to do? Pull up with my dad bod? Like, what are we doing here? I bet every guy looks like Harry Jousey here too. I bet it's super competitive. Okay, Gabriella. I like how her occupation is just MILF. Good for you, girl. Keep going. Keep inspiring us. All right, and we got Karina. Damn, Karina's really cute too. So there you go, guys. That's a pretty quick taste of what it's like swiping in Melbourne, Australia. I had an amazing time swiping in this video. I feel like Australia is definitely one of the sexiest, if not the sexiest place I've ever swiped on, to be honest. I feel like the last two have been kind of stinkers, but this one has really made up for it. So big fan of Australia. Big shout out to you guys. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, pound that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comments below which city you want to see me swipe on in the next video. Until next time, peace.